Well, let's talk about the ports.
Well, let's talk about as the first air shipment. The top five in China should be Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Hong Kong, and Shenzhen. Just like we said, just the north air shipment is Beijing, but Beijing is an inland city, but it covers almost all the North China air shipments.
Okay.
And east, there are two main ports. Seaport is Shanghai, Ningbo, but it's only one air shipment port is Shanghai. Shanghai have two airports. One is Shanghai Pudong Airport. We call it PVG for the airport code. This is very east of Shanghai. And also, this airport is mainly for the international flights. And they also have another small port is west of Shanghai, but it's mainly domestic. But the code is SHA.
And is that passenger and cargo also?
Yeah, passenger cargo also,
Okay.
but the other port is also mainly for domestic, and PVG is mainly for international flights. And you go to north. North is just we said they have a lot of factories in the south. So there are three airports. These three airports are all very big. The one is Guangzhou Airport. It's called CAN, and then Hong Kong is international, and Shenzhen Airport. Because we know that Hong Kong is a special zone, and for some air shipment, Hong Kong has a lot of direct flights from Hong Kong to all the whole world China. I mean, all the whole world of the other countries. So for some urgent shipment, we can, or warehouse, we can have warehouse in Guangzhou and Shenzhen and collect the shipment from the factory to our Guangzhou and Shenzhen warehouse. And at the same day, or we can see it through the evening, we can send it to the Hong Kong warehouse. And the second day it fly out. So it's very quick for this way. Yeah, and for the seaports, it's for north, it's just like Dalian, Tianjin, and Qingdao. And east is Shanghai and Ningbo. South is Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Hong Kong. And maybe you can also see there is Xiamen. Xiamen is just between the east of China and the south of China. But it's a small port. Yeah, there's that province also some shipments, but Xiamen covers that shipments.
So let's talk about, you brought up the warehouse. Is this something that you guys can provide a service for when it comes to multi-vendor consolidations and maybe even building a box, for example, of different clients' freight? Is this something that you guys are capable of doing?
Yes, even for air shipment and ocean shipment, we have the warehouse for the console box. Air shipment you have, but it's a plan. But we talk about ocean, it's a container box. For the air shipment, it's a plan. You put everything on the plan and then make packaging and then send it to the airline's warehouse. And then it lifts to the.
So you guys can take care of that for our clients.
Yes. We can provide a service from the very beginning of the factory to the end of the customer for the whole supply chain. We can do that.
Terrific.
Yeah.